In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp folders. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a folder inside the right space so your work stays organized and easy to find. Start by opening your ClickUp account in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, think of your workspace as the overall home for your teams and your spaces as major sections within that home, like departments, clients, or large projects. Folders live inside a space, and they're ideal for grouping related lists, so everything connected to a specific initiative, sprint, or deliverable sits neatly in one place. Look to the left-hand sidebar and locate the space where you want the new folder. A space is the container that will hold your folder and everything in it. Hover your mouse over the name of that space. When you do, a small three-dot icon, often called the ellipsis, will appear. This is the quick actions menu for that space. Click the three dots to open the menu. From that menu, select Folders. This takes you to the option for creating and managing folders inside the space you chose. You'll see a field where you can enter a name for your new folder. Type a clear, descriptive name that reflects what will go inside. For example, the phase of a project, a sprint number, a client name, or a documentation theme. Consistent naming makes it much easier for teammates to understand what belongs where, and it helps you filter and report later on. When the name looks good, click Create. That's it. Your new folder is now set up inside the space you selected. You'll see it appear in the left sidebar under that space, ready to keep your related work together. If you use a naming convention, consider adding prefixes or dates so folders naturally sort in a helpful order. Keep folder names concise but specific, and avoid jargon that might confuse new collaborators. A quick note, if you don't see the folders option in the space menu, it could be due to your role or permissions within that space. In that case, check with your admin or a space owner to ensure you have the ability to create folders. Also, if your interface looks slightly different, ClickUp may have updated the layout, but the flow, hover over the space, open the three-dot menu, choose folders, name it, then create, remains the same. And that's the process. Open your account, hover over the space, click the three dots, choose folders, name your folder, and click create. Simple, clean, and organized from the start.